A way to a man's heart is through his wallet and his bank account. If karma were real, all men would be gone. Count the years that you've been with your dusty and count the years you've been broke. If your man ain't giving you no money, call your lawyer. How to add value in a man's life. Show up. Tied to your dusty finance. Why would you financially tie yourself to a dusty? That's my first question. You've been kidnapped by a broke man. It's better to be single than be with a loser. Can I have financial benefits? Nope, that's ratchet. When does he deserve the goods if he pays for everything? When them bills are on direct pay and you don't pay none of your bills, baby. When you catch him cheating, how can I bring up expensive gifts without offending? Girl, he already cheated. You don't have... Wake up. He cheated on you and you worried about offending him? If karma was real, Pygmisha would have everything she wants because she's such a giving and loyal person. No man could make me feel bad. I'm sorry.